Okay. Come on. What should I play? Get out. Come on. Yeah, get him. Get out, dog. Get out. Hey, dog. Anyways, as I was saying, I have no idea what to play. But you know what I could play? Well, I found this game, like, please don't touch anything, but apparently the person who made it got banned. So it's called P hashtag S comma quote hashtag, and the description is asterisk or P or YBZSMY C or P or S M warning chat, warning players, warning whiting, not whitening, whiting, warning replicated stores, warning instance. Please don't touch anything is best played with earphones. Well, shut up. It's only... Now we got trolls from government-supported private investigator. Is Bruce Wise Among Us. You serious? What is this button? What does this switch do? Okay, I guess we... Yep, that's a nuke. The imposter's still there. We'll set it all white. Free 1 2 2 1 free. Free 1 2 2 1 free. Left. I don't know how to make it go to the right. 1984? Minus... Wait. Apparently Among Us still exists way back in the past. It says that's Woolly Mammoth. Oh my god, is that supposed to be me? It's a sail. It's a reflection of the sail from the campfire. Okay. You. Dang baby. Stupid baby. Die. Oh, we have smashed tumors. You know, usually in the game, isn't the baby supposed to slowly be pulling least? We just killed an infant. One, two, 2, 4, 4, invalid. 3700. 2001. Ha t sa z k m v m ha t. Yoan Sa Come on, give me Owen. Or N. Satus. Satuf. Satut. Satos. Super. Isn't it in the game, Pluto? No, we're missing one letter. Okay, I have no idea what to do with that. Archives, records. Tech dipswits. Ugh. Imposter? Wait, can I use a screwdriver on that vent and... Hourglass wave eye key? Notepad. Hourglass wave eye key. Up. Ugh. Disgusting. Three, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. Up, down, down, up. What about you? Oh. Okay, so... Correct. No, that's table. So, right, bottom, bottom, up. Why did that open? Hold up. I have an idea. What if we get to 666? That seems good. Also, that wasn't fast forward, it was using auto quicker. Oh! Hold up. Enable wave. We saw the bleeding eye, so that should stay enabled. The hourglass was there. He was there. Broken things. 3, 2, 1. Ugh. No bouncing. Okay, cool. They can do what they want, I guess. Here, wait, what if we 3-1-2-2-1-3, but we actually do what it told us to? So 2-7-6. Does not seem good. I think some of these, can I break the walk? No. City Boom. Alright, we got a cartridge. Do we have any way to insert it? Here, touch the button. 3-1-2-2-1. Now we got a giant ball. Can we look inside archives? No, review AFNTZM. Where's U to Z? Where does City Boom go? Do I have to hold it? No. Hold up. What is this? Come on! Where does City Boom go? Ooh. Well, let's get the obvious thing out of the way and unscrew these. What's this do? Can I electrocute myself? God. This is really not helping. Great, color combination. Well, I can't do City Boom. Don't know what I inserted. Y or BB? That's true. Okay, we opened some wings. Can we smash them? Smash this. Wait. One, two, three, 2, 1. Oh. Cool. I'm confused. How do I insert this? Wait, isn't name an ending? Oh, 8267. Come on, go light. Yeah, I did something wrong. Reset. What if I just keep hitting the button?
Then, a very peculiar thing happened. It was at this point the computer screen showed a new message, awaiting input. Well, this is certainly different, thought Stanley.
What is this, Stanley?
And then Stanley pressed the big red button. And that is when the extra buttons began to appear. And then, more buttons. And then, more buttons. And then, even more buttons. Until at last there were so many buttons to press that Stanley wasn't sure he could press them all.
What's button?
And then he did.
Yes, I got job. Me get job. What about suck over there? Uh-oh. He's coming in. I hit him with a hammer and got kicked. Amazing. The description is also complete gibberish. Yeah, this game name PS, comma, up hyphen. It's a really good name. I hit the Among Us and it killed me. Wait. Oh, well, I saw something. This open. Options. Language. Update log. Hidden food vent? No. Hold up. Is there like other things you can unscrew in here? Yeah, why don't we clean up a little? There's also food screwdriver and truss. Oh, we can. There we go. Now let's continue. Oh. Oh. guess we did something. Oh my god. No. Anyways, I guess this was the episode of Please Don't Touch Anything. Goodbye. A snake. I hate snakes.